living color.
So this morning we're back at Project Golf, and it's really exciting today for me because this is where the kitchen really starts to come to life. We're delivering and installing the work surfaces today, and as these also run up as the splashbacks, it really does transform the kitchen and start to give us an idea of how it's going to look when it's all finished and complete. So the guys are here, and you can see they're delivering these pieces of slab. It's a quartz material called Dekton, and it's been pre-cut off-site. They've already templated and cut in their workshop, but there's always a few little finishing touches and little extra bits and pieces to do on site. So that's going to be done here today as well. And I'm going to stay out of their way because these slabs are heavy and we don't want any damage occurring. And I'm just going to let them get on with their work and come back later and see how it's looking and if there's any final changes or tweaks to do. We'll then be continuing during the week with the electrical appliances and everything else. And I'm anticipating in a couple of weeks' time, we will be finished with this project. We've still got some things to wait for and some things to do, but I'm really happy with the progress, and we are going to be on track for when the clients arrive and we do the great reveal. So I'm just going to let these guys get on with their work, and I'll come back later and see how they're doing. So I'm back at Project Golf, and as you can see, things have progressed slightly. We have put on the work surfaces recently, and we're just finishing off some final touches, putting in the light fittings, etc. And we're also working in the bathroom right now. We had a privacy film on the window, which was, well, it's been there for years anyway, and during the course of the renovation got damaged, so we've removed that and we're just replacing it with new now. So let's go and have a look how that's getting on. Perfect. So that's going to give my clients privacy in the bathroom. Still lets a little bit of light through on that slit that we've left there. So there we are, finished. New vinyl for privacy, letting in a little bit of light, but means you can get in and out of the bath and the shower without worrying the neighbours are getting an eyeful. And as we're working here a little bit later this evening than normal, it means I can show you this little light under here. So what I do with my bathroom renovations is I put a sensor just here, little movement sensor, you can see it just there in the corner. So when it's a little dark or at night, when you walk into the bathroom, that little light under there switches on. We still have cleaning to do in here, which means you can make your way into the bathroom or whatever without putting the main light on and blinding yourself. It's a nice little effect. So we are back and we're on our way to Project Golf, where the cleaners have already started on the cleanup. They'll be continuing tomorrow, and I'm going to meet the boys with some new dining chairs and bar stools for our new kitchen. The owners are actually arriving on Monday, and this will be their first real live glimpse of their new kitchen and bathroom, because they haven't been here since before we started the project. So that's all exciting, and I'm just going to go now and have a little check. Usually, you know, there's almost certain to be some little snagging bits and pieces, but we have already done a check and we've done a first snagging list, and hopefully everything will be looking great right now. So we're just going there and we'll give you a little sneak peek before the owners get a sneak peek, and then we'll be back with you on Monday so you can see how my clients react to the reveal and whether they're happy or not. So I know that they are a mixture of excited and nervous. and I am excited because it has made a massive difference and I think they're going to love it. So I'll see you there shortly. Furniture's arriving. Hello, come in, come in, come in, come in. New dining chairs. This is exciting. Yeah, so I've got the dining chairs there. I've got bar stools for the kitchen, Bruce. Yep. And then there's 2 other different type chairs there to go in the bedroom. Yeah, with the high backs. Yeah. Yeah, for through here. There we are. So I would actually just put them in the bathroom for now because we need to move some of this other furniture. So we're just in kind of halfway of getting everything ready for the clients to arrive. Let me come out here where there's more light for you. And we haven't done a full furnish because I did that nearly 20 years ago, but we have decided to upgrade their dining chairs and some bar stools for the kitchen, a couple of chairs for the bedroom. So we're just bringing those in now, and we're going to be getting all the furniture back into its original positions so that I can show the clients in on Monday. I'm really pleased with everything. It's looking fabulous. We've still got more organisation to do and more cleaning, but we're almost there. So we're on the final push now, which is always a great place to be. So you don't actually need to go to the gym that often when you work at Knox. You get a bit of a workout anyway. Okay, these are the bedroom ones. So that's the bedroom blinds. And
this is the bedroom
blinds, yeah. There's 2 there. The mechanisms are up, so there's 1 there.
Okay.
1 there and 1 here.
And how do you let them down?
Yeah, so they just dress the top of the...
Okay.
Are they the same?
Yeah.
Yeah. So don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and please leave me some comments.
Living life in color.